Now, Beyonce gave us Levi's jeans, but I wanted to give y'all my tutorial on how I got this denim on denim blue hair. So me and my girls headed down to Atlanta, Georgia for the Cowboy Carter tour. Y'all, we had such a good time. We got our pictures taken and getting to my best friend with this baby bump, okay? One of the highlights for this weekend was definitely pulling off this head-to-toe denim look. I got so much love and so many great questions. So I just thought, why not give y'all a tutorial on how I did this? So in today's video, I'll be using the As I Am temporary color hair wax in this beautiful cool blue color. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the tribe if you haven't already. And let's go ahead and hop right into it. So per the directions, I am starting off with freshly washed and detangled hair. I've already added in my leave-in conditioner, and I am spritzing just a little bit of water just so that wax can glide on evenly. And feel free to use gloves throughout this process because it does get a little messy. So because I am going for that true blue denim look, I'll be doing 2 layers of this hair wax to each section of my hair today. But for those who are more on the conservative side, I would definitely recommend doing 1 layer. And once I get this nice blue that I want, I'm just going to continue on with the next section. I'm going to make sure everything is detangled, smooth, and we're just going to carry on with the process. So if I had the option between volume and definition, I would most likely choose volume, but I may be team definition when it comes to using this hair wax. I mean, look at the curls, they're literally popping. And I don't have to go back in with the gel or mousse, which I absolutely love. And now that this side is done, let's go ahead and hop over to the next side. This is the final look for my Levi's jean theme hair tutorial. Y'all leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what color you guys would like to see me do next. This is only part 1 of my As I Am temporary hair wax series. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to the tribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.